Hello, today I'm going to show you how to test your start battery. Open the car out, and if you're standing in front of your Opel Tigra, there it is, the start battery. Let's go. Set to DC 200 on your multimeter and plug in the red and black wire. Now connect the wires, the black wire on the minus pole and the red wire on the plus pole to check the voltage. Okay, connect it like me. Good job. First the red one and after this the black one. And as you can see, 12.1 volt. This is a good voltage. If the voltage is under 12, you have to reload the battery. And if it is not enough power, you have to replace it. A little extra test is let the multimeter plugged in and start your engine, and as you can see there it was 9.1 volt. This is not so much. This is indicator for or to replace your battery. If it goes under in the starting process under 9 volt, you have to replace the battery soon. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.